So here we are in Streamlabs OBS, and I figured a few things out here, so I just wanted to record them so I remember them. One thing I did is I clicked on studio mode, which brings up left and right screens here. And what we are going to do is create a brand new scene with the chat box and the video capture device. So we go over here to new scene, and we're going to test scene, and here's our test scene at the bottom here, and we are going to add, let's say we start with the chat box, add source, and this would be the location of the chat box on our screen, which I am going to make go on the left, like that. And what we can actually do here is click on this little thing here, and it brings up the chat box, and we can test it out. Does this work? And we can see that it's showing up on the live thing. Now if we want to add in the video camera, we add a new source, which will be the video capture device, add, and this is where we're going to put the video capture device. We'll make it big, but to the right of the screen, and I'll unhide my camera here, and then we can try testing this out. Does this work as well? And we can see that over here it's underneath, but over here, so if we transition, we can see, are we being cut off here or not? What happens if we have a long chat message? And it looks like they're all being cut off because the video capture device is on the highest one. So if we take chat and move it to the top and then transition over, we'll now have the messages, long messages will show up at the top over the video. And to get the transition effect, here we're using a swipe. You just have to go in and add a transition, and here you just add transition swipe and make it the default. So there's all, well, that would be a cut, make it a default, done, and then